Hello and welcome to Easy Tech Geek, and congratulations for your new computer. I'm sure you have a question that, what software should I install in my brand new computer so that it runs smooth and doesn't create any problem in my computer. So I will tell you 3 important softwares should be there in your computer in the very first time. So the very first application should be there is the Google Chrome. And how can you install it? You can open simply the Microsoft Edge or the Internet Explorer, and there just type Google Chrome and make sure you open the google.com website. Once you open it, you will get an option to download Chrome, and it will ask you to run the file and then install. So once it is installed, the second very important step is to secure the computer, and for that I would recommend 2 softwares. My preference would be for Malwarebytes. There are 2 applications which you can install, any of them, which is Norton 360 or the Malwarebytes. So for the Malwarebytes, I will let you know how you can do that, and you don't have to pay for it, trust me. Just type Malwarebytes. You will get the malwarebytes.com website. It is a very effective antivirus program which actually saves your computer in the real time. So you can use the free version of the computer, free version of the Malwarebytes, and it will, take care of your all the things. No matter what you do in the browser, if you do not give any exception to the malwares, it will not let any bugs in your computer. But let's say if you get any infections in your computer, this Malwarebyte will do a scan, and you can scan from there itself, and it will automatically scan the computer and wipe it out. So you can use the free version here. You can see the pricing. I would not recommend you to buy it the first go. Just use it, the free version, and in future if you want to buy, you can buy it. So that is completely up to you and optional. And Norton 360 is also great. I'll just type Norton 360. It's a powerful antivirus program. The preference why I choose Malwarebyte is it doesn't take too much resources of your computer, so it doesn't slows down. So if you have a very high-end computer with good configuration like 16 gigabytes of RAM, 8 gigabytes of RAM, i5, i7 processor, you can go for Norton 360. Else I would recommend you to go for Norton 360. And the third important software is CCleaner. Yes, this is a wonderful and a very effective cleaner which actually optimize and tune up your computer. And guess what? You don't have to pay for it. You can use the free version, and it will wipe out the junks, registries from your computer, and you can do it on weekly basis or every 15 days. You can just run the CCleaner, analyze it, and it will wipe out the junk created by the computer, not the data by you. Alright, so these are the 3 important software which should be there when you buy the new computer, before going online, before using Facebook or any social platform or downloading any game. Use these 3 softwares and then start the journey with your new computer. And if you think my video is helpful for you, then please subscribe my channel for latest updates. You have a wonderful day ahead. Take care.